right in front of us. Funnel. I can't see. It's on the ground. It's on the ground. Call it in, Josh.
Okay.
We gotta go. We're freaking close. It's on the ground. I'll just call 911. See the? Oh no. Yeah, there's some debris.
Holy shit! Across the road.
But it's on the ground for sure.
Look at the rain. You can see the rain spinning.
Yeah.
Josh, turn it on the ground.
No.
Keep going to the highway, Josh. Or actually, no, stay here. Stay
It's
here.
crossing. It's probably on the highway right now.
Air for your window up.
Holy shit, there it is. It's on the ground. Oh man, that thing's like hitting.
Oh gosh. Put your window down a little bit. Look at that.
There it is, fully condensed.
Keep going, Josh, a little bit. Past the trees.
Keep going past the trees. It's about to hit highway. Oh, wow. Holy crap.
Right here.
Right here. We're in outer circulation. We're in outer circulation. Oh, yeah. There it is. Stop, Josh. Stop. Oh, there it is in the trees. Tornado killer there. That's right. Dominate storm. There it is, going through
Right
power.
there. Right there.
Right there. Oh, wow. Get in, Josh. Get in. Oh, fuck. Get in, Josh.
Wait, we're good, Aaron, right here.
No, good.
Yeah, we're close.
Yeah, we're as close as we've ever been, I think.
Look at that.
Tornado, 100 yards. Come on, north. Josh, get in. Let's go back to the highway. Calling Chanhassen again.